Okay, so today I'm out testing a few mods on the Foreman. This is the day before Hurricane Milton, so we're just going to start getting weather effects tonight. And you might notice I'm in the Tacoma, and that's because I blew up the Dyna. It's semi-hydrolock slash one bent rod slash brake vacuum pump exploded. So yeah, backup vehicle. But this thing's got some pretty cool new mods. Some of you guys on the Patreon page might know what I'm on about with a couple of them, but I spent the last several weeks working on a bunch of new parts for you guys, so I'm starting to test them and I'm pretty excited. And as you can see, it's stuck in four-wheel drive right now, even though this is in two-wheel drive. This is an annoying issue I've been having with this thing. Sometimes to get into two-wheel drive, I have to kind of go like that, and then, yeah, it's not going into two-wheel drive. These things are very annoying. I gotta take it apart, lubricate it, and adjust it, and it's only done one ride so far. I might have got it, let's see. All right, I got it in two-wheel drive. Such a pain in the ass. And my front diff has nice clean fluid in it too. She rips. The electric shift is working well somehow, despite all the abuse. Usually a pretty good hole here, going into it in second gear. Two-wheel drive. Easy. Of course, I'm alone with no winch, as usual. Need some four-wheel drive right here. Very nice. Do a second gear water wheelie. Oh, stump there. Mode engaged. Ah, yes, the trail. Time for my favorite part, bath time. Saves me so much work cleaning it when I get home, and I get to check the airbox every time I go on a little short rip. Honda Submarine, the Honda Submarine.